You're not just tired. You're depleted. Let's set the scene. You've slept a full 8 hours, but by mid-morning you're wiped. You've smiled through tension, made 50 micro-decisions before lunch, and absorbed emotions that weren't yours to hold. You're not lazy or unfit. You're emotionally spent. And that kind of tired can't be fixed with a nap. The potential impact. When exhaustion goes unnamed, people push harder instead of pausing. That leads to short tempers, clouded thinking, and guilt for not having more to give. It's not about rest, it's about recovery. Let's keep this super simple. 1. Understand the cause. Constant empathy, multitasking, and decision-making drain your nervous system. 2. Stop judging your tiredness. It's proof of effort, not weakness. 3. Build in 2-minute resets between tasks. Stand up, stretch, or breathe slowly for 4 counts in and out. 4. Protect your empathy. You can care deeply without carrying everything home. 5. Try a short reset video on the app before or after your most demanding moments. Why this will make you hard to hack? Because awareness gives you control. When you understand your fatigue, you stop fighting it and start managing it. Recovery becomes part of your rhythm, not an afterthought. That's how you stay calm, sharp, and steady, even in the noise. Next up, what you carry that no one sees. See you in the next video.